Ever wondered how to craft an effective prompt for a language model? Well, you're in the right place. This session will wrap up everything we've learned so far and provide you with best practices in prompt engineering. First things first, always start with clear goals and objectives. This is the backbone of your project and will guide you in selecting the right language model and using it effectively. Speaking of language models, choosing the right one is crucial. Consider the complexity of your task, the size of your training data, and the computational resources you have at your disposal when making your selection. Now, let's talk about creating clear and specific prompts. Remember, ambiguity is your enemy here. Your prompts should be explicit and to the point, allowing the language model to generate relevant and concise responses. Setting expectations is the next step. Clearly articulate what kind of response you're seeking, be it a summary, a list, or a specific output format. The clearer you are, the smoother the interaction will be. But be wary of language biases. Language models are trained on enormous amounts of text, which might reflect biases present in the training data. This is something to keep in mind when generating responses. Also, remember to keep it short and sweet. Language models can churn out long responses, but it's your job to keep them concise and focused, improving readability and comprehension for the end user. Understanding the limitations of the language model is another key aspect. Even the most sophisticated models have their own set of limitations. Awareness of these will allow you to adjust your prompts to get the best results. When it comes to evaluating the output of language models, always select metrics that align with your specific use case. And don't forget, prompt evaluation starts with response evaluation. Before you launch your prompts, rigorously test and refine them. Make sure they yield the expected output. You can refine your prompts by tweaking parameters like temperature or top K sampling, or by introducing additional constraints to guide the model's output. Well, that's a wrap. I hope this journey into prompt engineering has been enlightening and that you feel ready to tackle language models with confidence. Whether you're an expert or a beginner, the knowledge and skills you've gained here will surely elevate your work with language models. Before we sign off, I'd love to hear your feedback. Your insights can help enhance this content and make it more valuable. It's been a pleasure sharing this journey with you. Thank you for sticking around. Your support means a lot. Here's to your future success in prompt engineering. May you continue to learn, grow, and excel. Peace and love to you all.